Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
This tent is arranged by you only. So I am came here.
No, you have
only arranged this, right?
The villagers or no?
Yes, this is
See, sir, this tent is arranged by you only.
Yeah.
I didn't arrange anything, right? We didn't arrange anything. We just asking. We have no idea that there is a tent. There is a meeting.
In play areas, basically there is no Meghalaya people. Basically, this no.
Yeah, don't fight. Don't fight.
Don't say like that.
See,
Don't say that.
don't. You are from here. Where you are from?
I'm from the Himalaya.
Which part? Which part?
I'm the Basan.
From here, how many? How?
We are looking all about this
No, you
area.
can't say that.
Yes.
I am asking
We are the
inhabitant of this
traditional.
people.
We are the traditional.
Boss, I am asking inhabitant of this place. Even she is not here. She is
Yeah.
not from here. She is
He's
from
the
Shillong
headman.
only.
He's the headman.
She is from Shillong. He is the headman. How far from here?
You tell him.
আপোনাৰ ঘৰ কিমান দূৰৰ পৰা?
ইয়াৰ পৰা বেছি দূৰ নাই
কিমান?
It is not Meghalaya.
He is already in Meghalaya. He is already in Meghalaya. Our people not asking. আমাৰ আপোনাৰ ঘৰ ক'ত? মোৰ বাকৰাপাৰা। আমাৰ বাকৰাপাৰা। তো আপুনি কোনখিনি? আমাৰ এইখিনি মানুহ কোন কোন? মোক সেইটোৱে দেখাব লাগে। সেইটো কৈছোঁ। Already,
Ki artali ki komiti jong ka jela Assam ban Meghalaya ki balathong ban penbet ya ka jingken atpun hapdeng ka jela Assam ban Meghalaya kat kumbala penbet do menteri rang ba ka jela ukon rat ki sangma bad menteri rang ba ka Assam u Himanta Biswa Sarma kabalatep kong ka regional committee mendakas ngi lahir ban jurep marmet chakisnong khapun baganthop nadu ka barapathar yongkuli maikuli bat khanapara Hakabakila yo rubanya keren bat kinong syaksnong jong kita gisnong ban lab yikijing sisa baro markman.
This is a hearing only. এইটো কোনো এটা ফাইনাল একো নহয় দেই। কোন কৈছে না? ইয়াতে একো ফাইনাল নহয় কিন্তু আমাৰ কথাটো যে কাজিয়া হ'ব নালাগে কোনো কাজিয়া।
Kabasung si kalong bakaladan ka jing keno ban nagalyang ka sarkar Assam kalade ban penbiang lupa ya kibrio kat ban nagalyang ka Meghalaya omchumladan satya ka bakum kata ka bapen isyaru bagi babun nakiriu ba ki bapoy ha kate ka jing her jurep kanika komiti ki dei ki barjala bat ki bakwa banyaso bat ka jela Assam
ইফালেহে আছে ইফালে আমাৰ প্ৰব্লেম নাই আপোনাৰ ঘৰ ক'ত আপোনাৰ ঘৰ কোনখিনি কোনটো এইখিনি কি বুলি ভাবে আপুনি
অসম ছাৰ আমাৰ ইয়ালৈকে দেখোন
য'ত কাছাৰটো আৰম্ভ হৈছে সেইখিনি মানুহ কোন কোন
সেইখিনি আমাৰ সব অসমৰ মানুহ আছে স্যার।
সেইখিনি মানুহ
বহি আছে ইয়াতে।
একদম কাছাৰটোৰ লগৰ মানুহখিনি কোন চাইড দিয়ক
Kawai na kilong kami garo karing kumoni marak lembat uwe urang bak garo kila persajur halor kani ke jingle jong ka sarkar Assam bad ya thu ba kini ki jaka ba kila dan ki trayeng barjala ki bakwa ban penyaso syaka jela Assam ha ka jing sisa ki dei ki badang hap hapo uput usam ka Meghalaya nadu hendayan thai bad bakenum ailat satya ba ki jaka ka jela ken chulet e syaka jela Assam
When I became the MLA of
ভোটাৰে আছে।
1985, then what I understood at that time, what he has said, in that area, Pellens area belongs to the state of Assam and that area belongs to Meghalaya. That is his statement is correct because when I heard the MLA of this constituency,
according to him, I
came
don't
to
know.
this point.
According to him, I don't know. 800 household. I don't know the exact population. Total population.
25 ভোটার আছে 100
Nagalyang usambut Menteri Rang Baka Jela uba Preston Tensong habagran syakilat pathai kubor ulaong bakani kamdei satya ka jingjurep banshim ya karai bat ba omdei ban songthu bakla Henry Nagalyang jeng ki artli ki komiti kindang khmi benya ya shibun ki jing pensisha ringkat ki sakhi niki kot kisla halor ka jing ya kamput da ka Assam ne Meghalaya bat Nagalyang kini ki komiti ken sapha ki report ki jongki syaki Menteri Rang Ba banshim ya karai ka bakhatdu
followed according to the decision taken by both the Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, that we need to come and see physically where there are issues which we have a differences. So this is the first visit and the first inspection made both sides from government of Assam and government of Meghalaya. So we understand, but of course we are here not to take any decision, not that we take a decision here itself, because ultimately again we will get some historical facts, the documents, these, that. Then accordingly, from both of us, we will send this report to both the chief ministers. That is the position of as of now. Please don't misunderstand. Don't say that Mr. Hazarika, Honorable Minister, or Deputy CM of Meghalaya will take a decision. We cannot do that because this decision was taken by both the Chief Minister, Meghalaya and Assam. So therefore, both of us, we are here just to physically see, and then ultimately the report will be given to the highest authority, means Chief Minister of Assam and Chief Minister of Meghalaya.
If some people, Assamese people stay there, Meghalaya border at that side, who want to claim that Assamese people are there, so that this belongs to the state of Assam, I never claimed that.
ধৰক আপোনালোকৰ মানুহ আছে তাতে আপোনালোকে য'ত আমাৰ মানুহ আছে এইটো জেগাটো অসমলৈ দিব লাগিব অসম আছে আমাৰ গাঁৱৰ মানুহ আছে যদি আমাক মেঘালয় দিব জানো আপুনি
we have listened the people of the both of the state. Meghalaya people also have say and Assam people also have say, but decision will be taken by our honorable chief ministers in high level meetings. I will submit a report, but this is our not total visit. We have to do another round. So doing both the round, we'll submit our report. Accordingly, our chief ministers will take decision.
Siliang serok pun diberi ujangi di gangdon sebelum siliang. Siliang serok gangdon baru diberi ujangi kepada orang. Kemudian di Pakis lagi IP mati bahan nama kemudian dari gestar kemudian IP. Jadi kita sedang menopok Meghalaya. Kemudian orang yang kita beri siliang serok pendek kalau Assam dengan saya.
Tapi semua hun em kat kum gajing wan ji keren juki mentra jongki ni kibar don hane pok komiti.
Em ni tengin hun la dagin orang kita beri siliang serok kendang nak sama Meghalaya ni cara. Amar diberi kebetulan serok kendang dari mana pok Meghalaya. Kendang panong kendang pan.
Dekat kum gajing kam jongki ti gibri ko basa siliang bagam kidi Assam hato kadi gajing syak ta.
Kadon ni kejaga siliang sini kedai kejaga Assam tang pakai don ke Assam bak Meghalaya.
Dekat ik thara ka sur ka jongpi kum kinok song snong.
So jong ni kum senang ta ka jing syak electric sim ni ka majority jong pai ba ding kat nang no pai ba ulut sa Assam ne hun man sa Meghalaya kedai man sim ka to kan ya. Majority jong pai ba.
वो एकदम छोटा रास्ता था, लेकिन उसका बाद में हम लोग बस्ती का आदमी सोशल वर्क करता है, बस्ती का आदमी निकाल सोमवार मंडे में सोशल वर्क करके हम लोग रास्ता बना लिया, 12 हो गया, अभी मोथरेबल हो गया, अभी ये लोग बोला है रास्ता का स्टार मेघालय, ये नहीं होता है, ये पूरा मेघालय है, ये पूरा मेघालय है। जो एजीपी था ने वो लोग ये पूरा दखल करता है, हाँ, ये और अंदर में ये इधर में पाइपलाइन भी है, एजीपी का था में इधर में पाइप वाटर पूरा सप्लाई करता है। ये
এফালে সুধিম উইল আস্ক দেম অলসো
So many people in the
আপোনালোকে অসমত থাকে নে মেঘালয়ত থাকে অসম কৰে স্যার